everybody, welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am still recovering from all of my surgeries. Unfortunately, it's been a little bit more difficult than I expected, so I did miss Monday. I am sorry. But here with my Wednesday upload for my Ipsy Glam Bag X for the month of May. I would love for you guys to stick around. Please join me. We'll jump into that in just a second. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do unboxings, try-ons, and generally makeup reviews of the products that I receive. I would love for you to join the family, so please click the subscribe button. Typically I am in the video, but unfortunately because of my surgeries I can't put any makeup on for another week or two yet, so I am doing some unboxings and just kind of some general review of products that I'm receiving in the boxes I've gotten. Without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into the Glam Bag X for the month of May. This one was curated by Khloe Kardashian, and so we have this magazine, of course, that shows you all of the options, and we'll talk about this as we go through. But let's go ahead and jump in with the Glam Bag X. It is the kind of upgrade for Ipsy. So this box costs box costs $55. Typically, whatever box you normally subscribe to, you get this box instead, and it is the $12 plus whatever to get the $55 if you do the Glam Bag, or the Glam Bag plus is $25, so it would be instead $30 plus the $25. I hope that makes sense. You do get to choose some of your products in this box. I believe you get to choose 3, and the other 5 are something that they curate for you based on your beauty quiz. So let's go ahead and jump in. And the first thing was something that I actually did choose. This is the Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment number 0. I actually do use number 3 and number 6 already. I do really like Olaplex's products. I do think they are a little pricey, but I do think that they are worth it, particularly for someone like me who does bleach their hair every 6 to 7 weeks. Talking about the Olaplex, this is $28 retail value. It is a product that you put on before your number 3, and it is supposed to help that number 3 be more effective in building those bonds and repairing your hair. And so it says to saturate your hair root to tip, let sit for 10 minutes, do not rinse, apply a generous amount of the number 3, let that sit for 10 minutes, then rinse, shampoo, and condition as usual. So I am definitely excited to try this. I have heard good things. I really have heard good things about the whole Olaplex system. So that is my first product. It is a product that I did choose. The next product that I chose here is the Moon. This is a Kendall Jenner line. It is the teeth whitening pen, and the flavor is vanilla mint. Retail value is $20. This is cruelty free. It is free of bad products. And basically what you do is you remove the cap, you paint it on, so it is a stick pen. I'll show you guys real quick. If you can see, it is one that you actually click up, and it is a brush tip, so you'll click up enough of the product, you'll brush it on your teeth. You are supposed to leave it on, let's find out how long. Wait 30 seconds before closing mouth, and 10 to 30 minutes before eating or drinking. You don't have to rinse this, and that's interesting. I didn't realize that. So you apply it, wait 30 seconds, close your mouth, leave it on for 10 to 30 minutes before eating or drinking. Apply 2 times per day or for 2 weeks to help whiten your teeth. So super cool. I am looking forward to trying that as well. My teeth are a little sensitive, so it'll be interesting to see if this makes them more sensitive or if I can tolerate this. Yeah, cool. Next product that was a choice of mine is the Kopari, and this is the CBD Balm. And let me just make sure I find it so I can read you the right thing. This is a repairing balm. the Kapari CBD Recovery Balm. And so this is actually something that you apply as something to help with pain. You rub this soothing CBD balm anywhere on your body from neck to toes to help relieve tension and stress. I did already open it and use it because I did want to have some information to give you guys. I do like the Kapari bottle. A lot of people say the retail value for this is $45, and I've heard comments that this is a small tube. For those of you who are familiar with CBD products, this is actually a pretty good size. I do also like that it is vegan, it is cruelty-free, and if you look inside, the texture and the color is that brown, kind of a honey color, honey color, a honey texture on there. It does smell minty, and you would just rub this in wherever. I actually do really like it. I do think it works very, very well. I do think it has a nice smell. It does smell very, very hempy. It smells like you're smelling some buds. I like that smell, but for people who do not, this may not be the product for you because it does smell intense. It goes away pretty quickly, but it does smell pretty good at the beginning. I do think the CBD does help. I have heard a lot of people say that it really helps with the pain. I would agree. I do use it for my migraines. I will rub it on my neck, particularly in the areas that are very tense, to help with that. I've also heard people after surgery or after different sports injuries will use this to help. So definitely super cool. I do think it works. I do enjoy it. And so those were my 3 choice items. All of the rest were curated for me. And so the first thing that we're going to pull out of here is the Kosas Volumizing and Lash Care Mascara. And so this is a mascara that is cruelty-free. It's supposed to help lift lashes, give them length as well as thicken, but it also has vitamin oils and peptides to help your lashes grow and remain stronger. Retail value for this is $26. I love the packaging of this, that hot pink with the pink on there. I definitely am a girl for that. It is in intense black, which is not bad. The tube is that ombre color from orange all the way to hot pink, which I love. I am not going to open it up yet just because I don't want it to go bad very quickly. I do like some of the Kosas products. I do feel like they tend to be a little more natural, so maybe this will be a little less. But here is the wand right there. It looks like a bristle brush on it. So I am interested definitely to try that. The next product that I have in here is a 111 skin product. And this product is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster, retail value $125. So 111 skin does typically tend to be a little expensive. I think that is quite expensive. It says, this is Khloe's secret weapon for skin that looks lit from within. It contains rose water and niacinamide to brighten skin, hydrating hyaluronic acid to plump, and light reflecting gold to instantly illuminate. And so niacinamide does help with evening skin tone. The hyaluronic acid, as long as you have moisture there, will help to plump skin. The bottle is beautiful. It is a shiny kind of a rose gold, tending towards a copperish color with the typical dropper here. Let's go ahead and open this up and look at the texture of it. It is pinkish in color. You can see as I put it out there, it does have a little bit of an opalescent color to it. Pink gold for sure. It definitely has some reflect in it. I'm going to rub this in real quick. It smells very rosy and florally, kind of like perfume rose though, not like natural rose. And you can see it does create quite a luminous glow. I'll be interested to try that. It's a little florally for me. I don't tend to like products that are quite so scented, but definitely we'll see what that does. The next product is the Ole Henderson Banana Bright Face Primer. This helps with, okay, so let me read it. It says, HD cameras are notoriously unforgiving. This is why Khloe always preps her complexion with this primer. It not only creates the perfect canvas, it brightens, blurs, hydrates, and softens skin. Retail value is $38. I will absolutely tell you, I have this primer. I do not like it. I do not think that it increases the length of my makeup wear. It does have vitamin C in it, hence the whole banana brightness. It also, which is supposed to help with your coloration. It also has other products in there that are supposed to help blur and illuminate. I do not think that this works very well for me. I am not even going to open it. I will put this in my giveaway. So once I hit that 50 mark, I will do this with quite a few other things for a big giveaway with several chances to win. So please click that subscribe button. But definitely not a bad product, just not something that works for me. I would not have chosen it if it were, I would have chosen something else for sure. And we'll go through some of the other options for this box. The next product that I have in here is a MAC lipstick. And so of course MAC is very well known. It is $21, and this is the weightless, long-lasting, soft satin finish in the color Bated Breath. And this is from their Love Me line. It does have beautiful packaging. You can see that pink ombre into black back to pink. That color for me is just a little out of my comfort zone, but we'll still swatch it because it's not bad to go out of your comfort zone. That is a beautiful red bricky color. It is nice and smooth. It is a MAC lipstick, so of course it is going to be good. I think I love the packaging most of all. I think that's absolutely beautiful. And the very last product that we have here is a cult classic. This is the Modern Renaissance by ABH. This palette is one that quite a few people have used before. It is not a new palette at all. I'm trying to put stuff in here so this box doesn't tip over. And I do feel like most people would have this product already because it is such a cult classic, but let's go ahead and open it up. I'll show you what a brand new palette looks like versus one that's all used up. Certainly eyeshadow does go out of, not out of stock. It goes bad within 2 years, so if you did buy this when it was first released, you may want to replace your palette. We are going to go ahead and open it up, and it is the same colors as the Modern Renaissance in there. Very, very nice with the brush in there. I do find that there's quite a bit of fallout with ABH products. So that's the ABH Modern Renaissance palette right there. It is that velvety texture, so it does get dirty pretty quickly on the outside. But that is my Glam Bag X for the month of May. I will go over really quickly some of the other products. They did have the Patrick Star One Size palette as an option, RMS Beauty lip and cheek tint, an ABH brow, an Ole Henderson brightening eye cream, a Tower 28 lip product, which I would have loved to get, but it was out of stock, and then quite a few things as things that were your choice. So definitely a nice bag. I do think there were quite a few good products in here that I will be excited to try once I can actually use makeup again. I loved having you guys here with me today. Please drop me a line. Let me know what you're most excited to use in your Glam Bag X if you got it, or what you're really looking forward to seeing me try. I loved having you here with me today. Thank you for joining me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.